Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an animal that's soft, furry and meows. This animal also loves to lie in sunny spots. Any guesses? That's right, it's a cat. Let's draw a cat together. To start drawing a cat, we're going to start from the middle of the page, draw a dot just like I've done, and we're going to start drawing a small triangle to face downwards, just like that. That's the cat's nose. From the base of the nose, we're going to draw a line down and bring that round and up on both sides, so it creates a W shape. From here, we're going to create the cat's ears. So we're going to create a triangle shape there, and the same on the other side, a triangle shape there. Connect those both with a curved line, and there you have your face. Inside the ears, we're going to draw smaller triangles, just like that. Don't worry if you need to pause and take your time. Now I'm going to go in with the eyes, 2 big circles. You can do them however big or small you like. And we have our cat face completed. Now onto the body. Go just below where the eye is at the bottom of the face and bring a line down, curve it slightly. Then we're going to add a paw on the end. Bring that line up and do the same on the other side. Now you've got the 2 paws, we're going to join these 2 lines together with a big semicircle, like that. Now we're just going to do a smaller joining line there. And here you have the 2 front paws. Now we're going to the body of the cat. See where you did this line and they joined together? We're going to go from there as a curved shape, bring it down half a semicircle. And now we're going to do a much smaller circle like that for the cat's paw. You've got the body, there's just one more thing to add, which is the cat's tail. We're going to do that coming up, a nice big tail, and bring that down. And there you have your cat. I'm going to colour mine in now. I'm going to go for a ginger colour because that is the colour of cats that I always see on my road. Once you have your finished cat coloured in, we're just going to go in with a few more details, which would be our paws. I'm just going to draw a couple of lines on each paw like that. And then on the cheeks of the cat, near the nose, we're going to do 3 whiskers on either side. And there you go. That's my finished cat. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what colour cat you decided to draw. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos, and head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations online with other like-minded kids. Thanks for watching. See you next time.